just a triop. Ah! Ah! What are triops? Triops are a group of small crustaceans of tadpole shrimp, also known as Notostraca. The name triops comes from the Greek words trion, meaning three, and ops, meaning eye. Triops are related to water fleas, berry shrimp, and clam shrimp. Where can triops be found? Triops can be found everywhere on Earth, including Africa, in South America, and North America. Interesting. Hey, what I have in my hand is triop eggs. Little tinies. Because of the harsh conditions, triops lay eggs that can survive on dry land for up to 10 years. This process is called diapause. Triops have been around for almost 300 million years. That's older than the dinosaurs, and they haven't changed much. This is why they're called living fossils. We're here at the store to buy products for our triops. The first thing you need for your triops is a small tank. And you can buy gravel too. You cannot use chemical water. You can only use spring water, natural spring water. You can buy a triops kit online for $5 or $10. Once you gather all of the supplies, it's time to set up your triop tank. 1. Fill your tank with spring water. 2. Add the eggs. The right temperature for triops to grow is from 72 degrees to 86 degrees. Triops need light. You can put them near a window for natural sunlight or provide a lamp. Baby triops are so small that you might need a magnifying glass to see them. Once they hatch, you can feed the baby triops the food that was provided in the triops kit. Baby triops eat decomposed plants. Triops have exoskeletons just like insects. If the water evaporates, just add more spring water. Fun fact, triops can have up to 140 legs. After 7 to 10 days, you can move your triops to a bigger tank. Triops breathe with their legs, like fish gills. What do triops eat? Triops eat just about everything, including carrots, daphnia, and each other. Gross, why? Ew. Triops colonies are either just males or just females. In some cases, they are both male and female at the same time. Triops love to eat. Make sure you feed them twice a day. Triops live to 8 to 14 weeks. Then they passed away. Fun fact. NASA sent Triops to the International Space Station to see if Triops can survive, and they did. Scientists hope that one day astronauts can eat them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please smash like and subscribe.